30 seconds to a minute to heat up. Clean the scale off the outside of it. The faster and harder I hit the steel, the hotter the steel goes. Because I've got a point here, that's going to get hot really quickly in the fire and that can burn off. So I've got to cool that down. We neck in behind the point to make a stem, and then we can put a chisel line down the middle, some texture, a nice bit of shaping, then we cut it off and forge a stalk on the back and bend. We'll heat up again. It's really thin now, so we've got to be careful we don't burn it, and bend that up into our nice keyring shape. Bit of beeswax, and we melt the beeswax over the hot steel. It's to protect it from rusting.